Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last few video we have discussed about like a chat module. In this video we can continue chat module. Last video I will show you how to send message and how we can check this message inside this teacher side message. So teacher side, this is the admin side. So admin side, suppose student side, so student side. So in this video we can continue chat module, but right now you can see it. Right now I just click here. So the page is a refreshing, but we don't want to refresh the page. What I understand, just here click, so automatically to get the data, because right now I'm refreshing the page. So here getting the data whatever receiver and sender id against we are discussing, this data we are getting here. So let's sort out this issue how we can do it here. Okay, so just you need to go to your code resources views. Inside it's not issue, we need to develop this module. Views, inside need to go to chat, inside need to go like a list.blade.php. Okay, let's make some zoom out so look like better. First of all you need to go your user page, like a user page. So here we did one query, you can see it refreshing, so automatic get the data, but just we need to remove this line. Okay, and we can leave it like whatever there before, like a div. Okay, same thing we have there before like this. Otherwise we don't want to do this div, just remove this div, because we have added a new one like a links. Okay, same as old now. 1 minute. Okay, I don't know. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can see it proper space and proper works here. And here is their active class. So we can put here our line. So here we can do is like a new name, means a class name, whatever do you want to show here, just click on, so it's going to inside. So we need to add like a get chat windows. We can give this name get chat windows, because this is the one type of windows. I say whatever do you want to like, otherwise you can type like get chat users, but I say like get chat windows. Okay, so just we can make like a get chat windows, so look like better. Okay, now we need to provide our connect user id. So we need to also here need to pass like our connect user id. Connect user id we have passed inside a user id. I can show you inside chat model, so you can see it here like a connect user id here there. So we have passed inside user id, so we know okay this is our receiver id. Okay, so just we need to pass here, it's a Laravel. Okay, so just you can copy and paste, and you can put like here user id. I don't know what's the issue. Okay, not generate the issue. Okay, user id. Okay, I will click on the get chat window, so I will get for this user id. But also we need to add a active classes. Suppose once the active class, so we need to add a active class. So suppose once I will click here, so we need to add here active class, other place active class we need to remove. So I can show you how we can do it, so don't worry about that. Okay, now this is the id we get. Now also we need to hide show our messages. Once you click on chat window, so means you read these messages, like here is just showing the count, so we also need to hide this messages. So just we need to provide like one id here also, like whatever do you hide message, otherwise clear message. And also you can concat for the receiver id, means connect user id, you can concat here. Okay, so now everything is good. So let's create for this like a jQuery. So just go down, means Ajax. Here we need to create our Ajax. Same thing, you just copy this all thing we did in bottom, just copy and paste here. And here you can change like a get chat users. Okay, and here you can click. So event.prevent default you can leave it. Suppose do you want to leave it, otherwise you can remove, so no issue about that. Okay, now here there is submit message. Here we can type like get chat windows. We can create a new routes, get chat windows, whatever do you want to like, you can do it. Okay, I just like it like simple ways, this is I'm doing like simple way. Get chat window, we don't want to need like process data and type data, just removing. Also scroll down we need always, because we are doing the HTML here, no need to append, so just you can type like a HTML. Let's make a first clear everything, after I can show you, means comment out. Okay, and also we don't want to use like this, so just remove this one, and we need to use here our side. Because I have made a mistake, 1 minute. Okay, perfect. Now our side we need to do like data, inside we need to pass our token and crf token, so we can use like a get method. Okay, now here we can pass first like receiver id, so where receiver id, so this is the receiver id we ever declare inside id. So this attribute again we need to get the data, so simple dollar this dot attributes id, so we have got here receiver id, so we need to pass here receiver id. Also we need to pass our token because we are using the like a post method, so we need to pass our token, so just we can use like a token and bracket inside we can do it like a crf token, chrf token. Okay, now everything is good, no issue. Let's create for these routes, so we can do it quickly. Just go to resources, inside need no just go to routes, inside need to go web.php, and inside we need to create here routes. So just directly just copy and paste, and you can change your route. And I think we need to remove as because it's not Windows, only one get these reasons. Okay, after you need to go to chat controller, app http controller, chat controller, you can see it here. Okay, and here is a route created, so just save this file and just go to inside, and here I will create a new function, and here I can make like a request dollar request, so dd all, so we need to get the data so we can understand what data we are getting, so we can understand easily. This reason I make like a debugging model like request all. So let's go back again, refresh the page, and open the like your spec element, so you can see it like spec. Okay, I just clear, I click here, so here is the calling the data like calling the like a one Ajax, you can see it like what is there crf token mismatch. Let's refresh the page so you can understand what is the error. 1 minute, 1 minute here clicking, so same here there, yes. So let's go to back code, I think the code inside something error there, crf token perfect, I don't think in the error. Oh, because I made a here mistake, spelling mistake, this reason token, you can see it before like this spelling there, this reason, otherwise no any errors. Okay, so save these files and just go back again, refresh the page, and just click here. So here you can see it like a token I get, also I get a receiver id, so 21 is a receiver id, means this user. I know this is the user already opened the 21, so is the 21. Suppose you can go here, this is the 9, you can change here message, means this is the chat window we can change. Suppose I click here, so you can see it also. So is everything working very well, but active class not work, so let's sort out the active class first. And also we need to hide like messaging, so just go to users and just copy this clear message, and here we can do it like a inside dollar hash dot hide, and here we can change out sort out like a plus receiver id because we have concat for this id, you can see it here, this id we have a concat here like a messaging, you can see it. Okay, this reason I will choose ads. So everything is good now, just refresh the page, not refresh the page. Okay, just go to back. Now we need to add an active class, so also we need to do here like a dollar get windows dot remove class active, and we need to add another one like a add class, so we can do it like a this. First we are removing the all the place active class, after we are adding the new class for this one, whatever clicking like here class we are clicking, so only this, so this attribute get the class. So I can show you how it works. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, and you click on this receiver, so you can see the active class work, you can see it, you see I just click here, so working. But here is a like a we have not done code, so here is not refreshing the page, but you can see it here working very well, you see. Okay, so this is the done. Let's go to back again and we need to remove this one, we don't want to need right now. because it's a different way work this reasons. So this is the part done. Okay, let's go to chat controller. Here we are getting the receiver ID. So simple, just go up, and we ever did like here receiver ID against means receiver ID and sender ID against, we are getting the data like get chat and get receiver. So just copy and put here. So first of all receiver ID we are getting, so just we can do like a dollar request receiver ID. Okay, it's good, no issue. Now we need to do like another one. Here I can change like a get receiver, also remove the data and get chat. So receiver ID and sender ID we need to declare. So just go up and we can copy this code and put here. Sender ID is my ID, because whatever user login this ID. Okay. So this is the function we have already done inside a get chat. You can see it here. This is the query we have done. Like you can see in like other videos, so you can easily understand. Receiver ID and sender ID we have passed after we have made a here query. On this query again, so we are getting the data. Same thing you can see it inside like get single like a receiver data. So we already done like here you can see it. Not here, just you can go to like user model, and here is a there like get single, so you can see it. So both one is done. Okay, so just I am using for this data automatically, means this query already done before. So you are following this series like last few video, so you can easily understand. Okay, so let's make it here like our code, like how we can do it. So simple, first of all we need to do here like we need to update messages. Okay, you are clicking here, so we need to update here to count there, so we need to do short out like this is the message read. So same thing you can go up and just copy for this one like a chat count update. So just copy and you can put here. So this is the query we have already done. Let's make it first. Okay, like here and just go to like update count, so you can check. So we have done, so receiver ID sender ID against, we have done this query last video. So let's go to chat controller, so you can see it here update count, we are sender ID and receiver ID we have passed. Again I can show you the query, suppose you are not following the series, so you can easily understand. Okay, so this is the query we have done. Now we need to do is like a same thing you can copy and paste here. Okay, and we need to show like a get chat, so chat same you can pass, and also we need to pass like a get receiver. Okay, so both, and we need to change here our file. So our file work, let's make some bigger this one. Go to resources, let's sort out windows resources, and we need to go to like our main file. So I think messaging is the main file, this messages. So this is the file we need to call. Here is a header there, here chat there, and also here get receiver there. So we need to call these files. Okay, so just you can change like a message chat dot dash messages, you can see it like a. Okay, so this file we are calling, so everything I can get. This reason I have a divide before, because I need to use directly. This reason I have a divide before. So suppose you are thinking this time why he dividing, but main reason about the we can getting the direct data, these reasons. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, and I click on the student. So 1 minute, get profile direct on null. 1 minute, what is the error? Just go back again, receiver ID and get chat ID. Receiver ID again. Okay, request dot receiver ID. Let's make it DD, so I can see it here. I get the data, I cannot get the data, so I can understand easily. Okay, so stop, and I just click on, because I am getting the null data. Receiver ID, I think I have made a spelling mistake. Yes, this is the receiver ID spelling mistake. So just need to go to list, and here you can change the spelling, because both spelling is a different, this reason receiver. Okay, so please change your spelling, because I have made a mistake about this spelling, these reasons. Otherwise no any issue. Okay, I save these files, I just removing, and I just go back again, refresh the page, and I just click on here, so you can see it success, and also I get a success message. So this is the data we need to show here. So let's go to back again. We have did this message like message, so just we need to go to list one and just go up. So we have declare here, so we can put here ID get chat message all, whatever do you want to, like you can put your id, but don't do the same id. Okay, like here you can do like get chat message all, but we can make a unique id. Okay, so just copy and put here, and you can do it like a hash.html data.html, sorry, success. I think we are passing here success. Let's go to here success, you can see it. So just put here success. Okay, so everything is good now. Just go back again, and I will save the file. Let me check. Yes, I will save this file. Just go back again, refresh the page, and I click on the test admin. So you can see it changing, working very well. Suppose I go to teachers, working, but scroll down not working. You can see it here. Suppose I can change here, I go here, scroll down not working. Let's sort out this scroll issue. So we have already done this is scroll down function. Just copy and paste here. Okay, because this reason I have created like a unique one. Otherwise I can do here code same like this code, I can put it here, but I need to do the not do the multiple time code. This reason I have created unique one. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, and here you can see like teachers. So teacher data here gets 1 minute is not working. Let's see again, refresh the page, and just click here teachers. Scrolling is not going to down, scroll down. Okay, what's the issue? Let me check inside these elements. Okay, this is not issue. 1 minute, I refresh the page. Here going to scroll down, but where is the issue? This is the line. Okay, is like another issue. Just don't worry about that. For this one, I just click in, so it's going to scroll down. You can see it. So if I go to here, I just went teacher 4, so you can see it. Student 1. So here is not scroll there. This reason. So with any place scrolling there, so it's going to down. You can see it here. So working very well, no issue. Okay, I just refresh the page, so you can see it working very well. But problem about once I refresh the page, so you can see it, this is the all work like a test admin. I send the message here, hi, I just say send, so you can see it working very well. Working, I just anything I can send is working very well. You can see it here. I just refresh the page, so here is showing the like first one always, but here is not changing the our receiver ID. So we need to change for this receiver ID. Suppose I click here, so we need to change also for this ID. Okay, what I say understand? Okay, so how I can change, I can show you. So first of all we need to get our receiver ID. So just we need to declare here like a receiver ID, and we need to declare like base 64 encode, because we are using the encode key above. So just you can pass here receiver ID. Okay, this receiver ID we need to push inside a like a list.blade.php. Here we need to push for this receiver ID like a here. So how we can do it? Here is a one function there, windows.history.pushState. Okay, I can show you how we can make it. So let's do it for you. Okay, so windows, I think we can do it after HTML. Windows dot history dot push state. History spelling, yes, perfect. Now you can pass, this is the like syntax. Okay, so just you can pass 2 time blank. After third time we need to pass like our all the URL. So our all the URL, how it works, just copy and paste here like a URL, but we don't want to pass like our last ID. So just you can concat here. So how we can concat, like just using the plus sign, and here we can do it like a data dot receiver ID, because we are using the base 64. Just save this file and just go back and check is working not working. Okay, so let's go to back again, refresh the page. Also here not showing the active class. Suppose I am showing this teacher 4, so here not showing the active class. I will sort out, so don't worry about that. I have teacher 4, so you can see it here changing. So you can see it changing here, you see, so it's changing above. So I refresh the page, so always showing this one student 4, but I know is active class not there, so we can't clarify which one. So let's sort out the active class here. So just go back again, and 1 minute, I just go to users, and users inside need to go to chat controller inside we need to we need this receiver id. So just you can make data dot receiver id is equal to dollar receiver id. Okay, otherwise we need to use else part. Receiver id is a blank, so no need to generate this error. This reason we need a receiver id, but also I will make a condition, so don't worry about that. Okay, so just go to users, and here we need to like add active class. So if is not empty receiver id. Okay, because we are using direct this class here, I click on, so open this line, so this reason I need to make a condition here. Okay, is not empty, and if, so here we need to make like a dollar if receiver id is equal to like a dollar user dot user id, because this is the unique one, you know, me know, like connect user id. So we need to show here, and if, and we can add here like a active, sorry, else but we don't want to need active. This is the class. What I did first, we check is not empty, so it's going to inside, and after we make check the condition, receiver id and connect user id means is the same, so we need to add a active. So let's save this file and just go back again, and we can check, and also you can remove the like a bottom code, we don't want to need now. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like automatic showing the active one. You see, just I go here, just I go here, just I go here, every place I can go, so automatic showing. So this is the done. Okay, everything is clearly work, also working like everything is good, so no issue. But now we need to make here like search filter. Suppose I can search like a text, and I click on this button, otherwise auto search, once you can typing, so automatic filtering bottom one, we need to get this data. So let's sort out this work also, because of the in this video we can cover. So chat module like 80% done. After we need to upload the images, and I have one requirement like emoji, so also you can add emojis. So here we can add like emojis. Once you can choose the emojis, so we can send also emojis. Okay, I can sort out, so don't worry about these emojis. And also I can make like online, so next video we can show in like this, and but in this video we can complete like it like searching. So searching we can done. Okay, so let's go to back again, list.blade.php. Other file we don't want to need now, so just close, because otherwise you are confused, and also I have a confused. Okay, so here we can put like a id get search. So just copy this line, and you can creating for this one whatever do you want to create. So let's create here, and you can use it like directly here, get search, and here you can make it like a, I think once you click on this icon, we don't want to do like this, so just you can put it get search, and here we can put like a get user. Okay, suppose you can type get user here, click on the get user like for this icon, whatever typing, so this data again we are getting the user here. Okay, so just go down, we can put like get users. Let me check, this is the get user we did like id, so get search user. 1 minute, I can change for this id get search users. Okay, so just down and paste here, and we can change to dot to id, because this is not a class, but we need to get our search result. So just you can use like where search, and whatever information you are adding inside text box, so we need this information. So dollar hash dot value. Okay, so just console dot log and search. Okay, now everything is good. Just go back again, refresh the page, so we can check working not working. Close everything, I just typing here search, so you can see it, we are getting this information whatever I am typing here taste. So also I can search, so you can see it working very well, so no issue here. Okay, so everything is good now, no issue. Now we need to call the our Ajax, and we get the user for this search against. So just go up and we can copy all thing and put here, and just press like a tab, so it's going to inside, and just we can put here, and we don't want to need this one, just removing. Okay, now receiver id. Okay, we also need a receiver id, so we need to know who is active, because also need to make here active, right? So also we need a receiver id, so where receiver id is equal to dollar receiver id, like same id. You know, we are already passing inside a app controller. Inside you can go like inbox controller, chat controller, so you can see it, we have already passed like a receiver id. Suppose blank pass, otherwise is a data there, so is a this id also pass. So receiver id always we are getting, this reason I have passed directly here receiver id. Okay, so receiver id we have passed, and also we need to pass like whatever field I have search. So just you can do it like a search. Okay, everything is good now. So now we need to make like get chat user, get set search users, SEAR search users. Okay, so let's create for these routes, otherwise everything is good, because we have passed token search value, we have passed like here we are getting, and everything is good. Just go to routes, inside we need to create a new function like here. First we need to create a routes, and after we need to create a new function. Okay, so everything is good. Just go to set controllers, and here go to downs, and here you can create a new function, and I can make here like a request all, so we can understand easily. Request dollar request, so just make it dd, so we can identify data is correct and not correct. So let's make all and save these files, and also we can save this web.php files, and also you can see it like our Ajax code here there, and also here you can see it. Okay, everything is good. Now just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it now. I'll just type like I can search here, I just click on the search here, so it's calling the data. You can see it here, all the information we are getting like search, also getting receiver id, means this receiver id, so we know which one we need to make a active here, like updating. But I think is a wrong, we need to do like a proper way, like receiver id also we need to use like hidden fields, because of the once you can change here, like here you can changing, so also we need to change our receiver id, so we know you can search like a teacher for, so also we need to make a active. So let's go to back again code, and this receiver id you can just leave it, and here you can make like another like a, let's show you first how you can do it. Okay, so here's the input field there, just copy, and you can remove all thing we don't want to need, and just you can make like get receiver id dynamic. Okay, because I need to make unique one, this reason I am doing like this. Okay, value for this receiver id. So let's save these files, and we can check working not working. I refresh the page, so you can see it like a 21. Okay, but once I will click here, so we need to change here id, because receiver id now different. So just go to code again, and we need to pass here, so this is the id for receiver id, like hash dot val, and we need to pass for this id here. And after this id we need to get here, so just copy and put here, and you can remove this one, so we are getting this value. Okay, for this receiver id. So let me show you first how we can, what I did. First I have passed inside receiver id for get receiver id dynamic, and after we have get inside search one, and this is the id we have provided here, like here you can see text fields. So let me go back again and show you. Just save these files, let me save these files. Okay, perfect, and just refresh the page. So right now 9 there, I just go, so 21 you can see it, 14, so it's working very well, no issue, you can see it here, you see. So changing the id dynamic, suppose I refresh, so automatic showing the 9. Suppose I go to here and I refresh, so automatic showing the 21. This is the reason I did like this. Okay, just make it hidden, so We don't want to show other guys because we don't want to need to show like other one, just need to make a hidden. This is the only for coding part. Okay, here clicking, so here you can see it like we are firing the data, and here you can see it, I receive the success message. Like this is the works, I know, just I can make like a search here. So here you can see it, receiver ID different one. Now this is the ID 14, so it's a 14. Suppose I go to here, and after I click on the search, so this is the receiver ID like a 21, the 21. So we know, okay, which ID we need to make an active class. Okay, this is the reason we have did like this. It is now simple, just go here and just go up, because we need to get chat user. So just copy and just put here, and also you need to put here like a, because this is the function we have already done last video, because this is the much time take to creating. So same function we need to use, just we need to pass our user ID. User ID means our sender ID, means my ID. So just copy and paste here, copy both one, because both one we need. Okay, just you can put here receiver ID we are also getting using this one function inside, and also sender ID means my login ID. So this is the function we have did last time. Okay, suppose you are following this series, so you can easily understand. Let's zoom out. Suppose you are doing this one, so you can write this all. I hope you are done now, because you are pause your video and you can see these functions. Okay, so let's make it sometime zooms, and I save these files. Just copy same as, and you can put down here. Okay, now we need to again need to send like get receiver, get chat user, and also we need to pass like a receiver ID. So just passing receiver ID, and we have already created like a same basic file. So here you can see it like a users. This reason I create a unique file. So just you can change like a $users. Okay, so let's, everything is clear, and here is a get receiver we are passing. Here success inside we are getting the information, but we don't want to need like this is the one, so just removing. Okay, now everything is clear, and also file this files we have done before. So just go to list.blade.php. Inside here there like a listing, so here you can create a one ID. Here you can create a ID get user dynamic, get search user, just search user dynamic. Okay, just copy this variable name, means sorry, this ID name, and just go down and put here like hash.html and data.success. Same thing we did here, you can see data.success, because data inside success inside we are getting this information. So I can show you, you can see it like a data.success, you can see it here. Okay, so just go back again, refresh the page. So I search like a teacher. Okay, I just click on, so we are getting the data, you can see it here. So working very well, but we have not made a filtering for this query. So let's go back again, and we can go to like get chat user function, and here we need to use like use request. Okay, so request we need to make here query. This reason I have divide this part and also divide this part, this reason. Okay, request if is not empty, request dot get search, because we are getting the search parameter, you know, me know. Okay, so I can show you, don't worry, just make dd and I can show you dd, and you can save these files and just go back again, refresh the page. You can see it like a teachers, and click on the search icon, so you can see teachers. So it's working very well, no issue. Okay, so just we need to make here is a one query. Okay, here there and wherever you can use, so we get this information. So it's a very simple way, not a big deal. So just creating here, let's create a first dot search variable is equal to, we need to pass like a, this is the information, and here we need to make one query like query. So simple get set user, get chat users, where we need to use here function, because we need to use a or where. Okay, so we can do it quickly, this reason. Sender id dot and receiver id dot name, we can do it, this reason I am doing. Let's copy any place there we have did. Yes, we can copy this one, and just put here. I think we can develop. We don't want to do like this. Sometimes generate the issues. It's better we can develop function. And here I can pass like a dollar query. Yes, query, and use like a search. So this is the done. Now inside we need to use like where and where or. So query where sender dot name like above search, like just you can put here. And also we need to use like a or where. So simple or where, and here you can do it like sender dot name like. So just you can send receiver dot name like and search. So this is the done. Let's go back again and check is working not working. Okay, otherwise here is done. So let me go back again, refresh the page, and after I click on the teacher and I click on the search, because of the we need to add like a percentage sign, because percentage sign we are getting the data, otherwise like just you can dot, because we are adding the half name, these reasons. Okay, so both side you can add like percentage, so we can do it quickly. Save these files and just go back again, click on the search. So you can see teacher 4, you can see it here. Suppose I can remove it and I can click on the search, so automatically showing the teacher 4 active. So I can search like a test and I click on search, so you can see it only one. After I click here, so going to inside and I just removing and refresh the page, so you can see it. Otherwise you can refresh here, so automatic work. So this is the done work for the filtering. You can see it. I just click on the student and I search here, so only showing the students. So I can change to teachers, so showing the teachers, you can see it. This is the testing data. Suppose your original name, whatever you can type like Alex, whatever your original name you can typing, so you can see it. So this is the filter we have done. And also we have done this dynamic, and also we have short out this is like active class. So everything is good. In this video I have done this, and next video I can show you about send the images, and also I can show about it like active inactive means online not online using the cache. I can show you. This is the need to understand very well. I can explain how it's possible, so don't worry about that. Okay, and I hope do you understand everything what I explained today. And suppose do you not understand, so please watch 2 times so you have clear everything. And I suggest you can watch all the video first, and after you can develop your own way, so you can learn better. This is the big thing. So whatever do you want to like, you can do it your end, but I just show you, told you. So first you can watch all the video and you can understand what he did inside video, and after you can develop your mind wise. So it's better for you, you can improve your skill. This is the point, otherwise no any points. Okay, so I hope do you want to like this video, and do you want to like, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.